Hi, this how to 1 minute will show you how to add parallax scrolling effect in Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix site editor, and now to add a parallax effect in a specific section, here's how to do it. First of all, go to the section, and so as you can see right now I'm on my about us section, and here I want to make this background parallax. To add parallax effect in any section, first of all you have to add a background color or background photo to the section. So select the section and click on change background, and here go to image, and now from Wix media library you can select a background for the section. So must add a background image first. So here you have to select the section background and then click on background scroll effects, and here select parallax. And now let's preview the site. Okay, now I'm scrolling down and going to my about section page, and here as you can see parallax effect is working perfectly on my about us section. And now let's see how to add parallax effect in entire Wix website. Go to your editor again. Okay, once you are in your Wix website editor, now you have to click on site design. Once you are in your site design, first of all we have to add a background photo for our entire Wix website. So here click on page background, and now I'm selecting a background photo first. Let's select this background photo. Once you selected a background photo for your entire Wix website, as you can see the background photo edit, now just click on settings. Once you are in settings, here you will find this scroll effects option. Here just select parallax, and that's it. Now let's preview the site. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see the parallax effect has been successfully added and working perfectly in my entire Wix website. So this is how we can actually add parallax in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.